Okay, area of isosceles triangle inscribed in a rectangle. So, para makuha natin yon, kailangan alam natin yung height at saka yung base. Yung base is b over 2. So, kasi isosceles triangle yan. So, two legs are equal or two sides are equal. So, yung base niya is dalawa. So, pag height, side A times sin theta over 2, pag base is side A times cosine theta over 2. So, imumultiply mo lang yon, then i-divide yung standard formula ng area of a triangle, yung 1/2 base times height. Kapag ka nakuha mo na yung height at saka base niya, pwede mo na gamitin yung standard formula nung area ng triangle. Huwag natin pahirapan kasi doon naman lahat yon. Kasi inaano nga natin na kapag may angle ang given. No, so isosceles to, meaning two equal legs. So, yun lang pa.